Today we're going to Brandywine Mountain near Whistler, BC, and it's the first time we'll take our Bronco off-road. Any car can make it to the lower parking lot, but if you have 4x4 with high clearance, you can go to the upper lot, which will save you hiking almost 400 vertical meters through the forest.
Okay, so this bit is a bit steep and bumpy, and also it's a pretty sharp corner. There are a couple of places like this here, and a lot of big rocks.
There are a couple of rough sections and 3 or 4 cross ditches towards the end, but we saw cross-track wilderness and a couple of regular SUVs in the parking lot. That being said, we also saw Ford F-150 scraping the front, so it's definitely a bit rough.
Oh my god!
While Brandywine Meadows is not on parkland, the trail leading to the meadows is managed by BC Recreation Sites and Trails. Although camping on the meadows used to be very popular, it is no longer permitted, as this is now a designated wildlife habitat area for grizzly bears.
The original plan was to go all the way to the summit of Brandywine Mountain, but we didn't have enough time for it. But we are still really happy that we came here. As you can see, it's really beautiful here. And the best part is that if you have a 4x4 car with high clearance and you can drive all the way to the upper parking lot, it takes only about 15-minute hike through the forest, and then you are out in this meadow with views towards Garibaldi and Black Tusk on one side. Sorry, being attacked by a mosquito. And Brandywine Mountain and surrounding mountains on the other. And the meadow itself is pretty stunning too. If you are earlier in the season, I'm sure it's full of flowers, but even now in late August it's still really beautiful. One thing though, although normally we prefer to do sunset hikes, next time when we will come here we'll actually come really early in the morning, because as you can see the sun is already setting behind the mountains and we are still about 3 hours away from the sunset. So the light is much nicer if you come in the morning, because essentially lighting up the whole valley all the time. So that's just a little tip if you're planning to visit this place.